If this is your love language, then you're in the right place. Let's make smoked barbacoa. You'll need some beef cheeks. We're gonna season them with salt, some pepper, onion powder, and some garlic powder on both sides. We want them well seasoned. After that, we're gonna get these onto the Weber over some post oak. We're gonna let them smoke over direct heat. After 30 minutes, flip them over and let them smoke for another hour. I know you're gonna ask me, what about without the grill? It's just not the same. So these are partially smoked, kind of semi-grilled, and we're gonna go ahead and finish these in the oven. We're gonna transfer them to a smaller pan, add half a cup of beef stock. We're gonna cover it with some foil and get them into the oven at 375 degrees for about 4 to 5 hours. In the meantime, you can make some beef tallow tortillas or corn tortillas. We do both, and the most satisfying part about it is watching them puff up like pillows. After 4 or 5 hours, ready. So when life gives you beef cheeks and post oak, you make smoked barbacoa. Something so simple but yet so good. With homemade tortillas, this could definitely make someone happy. Spoil me with food. It's so good, wait till you try it. Enjoy.